Hi everyone, my name is Diva and I'm a tax lawyer based in Delhi and Mumbai. First of all, I think it's a great initiative by Nitin. It's kind of giving a great exposure to the young law aspirants and the law students. So kudos to that. To everybody who is watching this, I just have one message to you all. Is that whatever your aim is, be it law, be doing great in this legal industry or whatever, if you are very clear as to why you want to do it, then I think half of your job is done. You know, law as a career people talk about, law is actually much more than that. It's not a mere career. It's not like 9 to 6 job and you're gonna get the salary and the day is done. It's more of it is a way of life actually. When everybody is just okay with whatever is happening or whatever is given to you, you are the only one who is saying let me see if it can be, if it's right or not. You are the one who is alone standing over there and probably not just silently agreeing to whatever has happened, not necessarily disagree every time, but just want to you analyze things. So, and you have this ability to challenge the things. You have the actually the capability to do that. Not everybody, not whoever is a non-lawyer doesn't know that you can actually challenge these particular if any authority has come up with something, so you know the law. So that's kind of empowering. So being a lawyer gives you that. So whatever exams you are writing, before writing those exams, if you are very much already in that thought process, you think like a lawyer, not that not just write an exam to clear that exam. If you have a thought process of a lawyer, I don't think there's any exam which is tough for you to crack. So be it CLAT or be it any other exam. So that's how I did it. When I wrote CLAT, I already thought that let me go inside as a lawyer and think like a lawyer and just not take too much pressure on clearing upon it. So I think I that's how I cleared it, and that's my only advice to you all. Be already what you think you will be after you clear a law school, because in the end all these law colleges, what they want the best out of the country. They're not going to do a magic upon you once you get into those institutes. It's just your peers who have come all the way from so many different backgrounds. They are going to teach you. So it's everything is about that. So I think that's my only message.